In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMTP in HubSpot. To do that, we first need to head over and then navigate our email integration settings. To do that, click onto this gear icon that you can see on the upper corner. And after you've done that, you'll be directed right here into your settings. Once you're on your settings, let's need to head over right here into the General tab. Then from in there, locate the option for email. You can also just directly search for email once you enter the search bar. Now click on email right here. Then after you have done that, you can see right here this. Click on the disconnect email. Now turn on inbox automation if you want as well, and click on the disconnect your inbox. Input right here your email address that you wish to use. So on this case, your SMTP API for transactional emails will also be generated. So input right here your email. Click on next, connect to Gmail, and click on continue. After you have done that, your email will be connected from there. And in here, you can head over to your gear icon as well. Then head over to the marketing tab or email tab to locate the SMTP. From there, you can generate token and enter a name for that token. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.